WULF stock analysis and price predictions for Monday and onwards. This is a massive update. Am I buying now is the question, which I'll be breaking down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Here is the biggest factor here. Definitely looking to buy more, just demolish the freaking top that we have now, like I've done way for a very long time, but I'll show you the exact timing because that's critical. If I zoom down, yeah, now we're $9, but at the time it was already 3, you know, 352 when I made that video 2 months ago, and we've pretty much tripled in price since 2 months ago. And the only thing, you can see I got like 3 trades, 1 break even, 2 wins. The only way that I'll again click back and buy more with Wolf is if the price really corrects down and actually shows me the rules. Because if that does not happen, bro, then who cares? I'm not buying. And I don't think it's getting simpler than that. There's like 13 receipts in the Discord as well. So that's how Wolf is looking like. And if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.